Hello students, today we are going to see unit number 3, liquid and solid based additive manufacturing techniques. So under this unit already we have seen fused deposition modeling, and now today we are going to see about laminated object manufacturing. So going before into the course or the presentation, we must know the meaning of the solid and the liquid based additive manufacturing technique. The solid based additive manufacturing technique uses the raw material in the solid form and it prints the material. Whereas the liquid based additive manufacturing technique uses a liquid kind of raw material, example resins, and then it converts the raw material into a solid part. So this is the main difference between the solid and the liquid based additive manufacturing technique. And in the laminated object manufacturing, this technique is a entirely different technique when compared with all the additive manufacturing techniques, because this laminated object manufacturing is a technique where in which it uses the adhesive coated paper. So the material used here to process is adhesive coated material, and then it stacks layer by layer. So the material is stacked layer by layer. So the material geometry is prepared by using the CAD model, and there is a laser at the top of the equipment which scans the material, and it cuts the profile according to the given CAD model. So this is the difference between the normal additive manufacturing technique and the laminated object manufacturing. So this is the schematic working principle of the laminated object manufacturing. The main parts here are the take-up roll and the supply roll. The take-up roll provides the material, that is a raw material, and the supply roll provides the raw material, whereas the supply roll provides the raw material, and the take-up roll rolls up the remaining material. So here from the right hand side, the material is supplied to the machine, and the machine, you can see the blue color thing, that is the moving optics that provides the laser support. And you can see the mirror. So the mirror is used to focus according to the direction, and you can see the laser source. The heated roller is one of the major component here. You can see the arrangement of the laminated object manufacturing. So this is how the laminated object manufacturing equipment will look like, and you can see the layer by layer, the material is stacked layer by layer. So the material here used is adhesive coated paper. So this adhesive coated paper is once fed through the roller supply roll. uh, the laser source scans the material, and the material removed is stacked at the bottom of the table. The roller is started to move from left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. So this heated roller, because of this movement, the layer by layer is coated with the another layer. So here in the working principle, you can see material is cut by means of a laser, or with a CO2 laser. The sheet of paper, the layer by layer is cut, and the layer is glued. Already the material is having a glue at the bottom. So once the layer is cut, the material is dropped downward direction, and it is rolled by a heated roller. So this heated roller rolls, and because of the rolling action and the heat, the bottommost part of the layer sticks with the another layer. So this process is continued until the desired thickness is achieved. So this video shows how the material So a laser provided at the top scans the material according to the geometry given in the CAD model, and it cuts the material. Again, the roller feeds. So this action is continued. We can watch this action. So once the profile is cut, the paper moves to the left hand side. So you can see how the working is done in the laser application. So the supply roll supplies the material and the laser scans the layer. Once the layer is scanned, the unwanted material is rolled by the take up rule. This is how the material is printed in the laminated object manufacturing. And finally, the unwanted materials are removed. The geometry is attained. So in laminated object manufacturing, we can use polymer sheets, metal sheets, using other cutting techniques, that is computer controlled knives or laser applications involved to develop the further process. Thank you.